Okay, so what's going on, everyone? I'm going to give you my bold Solana price prediction. I'm going to show you why I'm predicting price to go higher. Now, you guys can see over the last couple of days, it's been going up anyway. Well, we're going to try to see if Solana's going to have enough momentum, enough juice to run up there to $180. All right, so keep it strapped, pause, and hit the like button. Instead of it, also subscribe here for more content. Now, this price prediction that we have on our chart in Solana right now is one that was created all the way back here on the 19th of August. And I'm quite sure we did an update into the market in Solana, but currently I don't know when the last day was. Okay, so the only opportunity that we saw, or let me say this, the reason why I'm expecting higher prices into the market in Solana is because one, price held its buy zone. Okay, two is we got two buy signals being triggered. Three would be because price is no longer trading at this sell zone. And then let's try to see if we can find a fourth one. Okay, so let's go ahead and get rid of this price prediction. Hopefully you was able to get some of this profit into the market and achieve it even before the market started trending up. These are all days. So I will say from August the 30th to August the 19th was an opportunity for us to grab at least something from out of this potential play. If not, there will always be more opportunities. So now, look at this though. Check this out. 1, 2, 3. We are about to see another test for the buyers. Now, my question to you is, hey, do you think that these Solana buyers are going to be able to eliminate the sellers here? Because they didn't do it the last 2 times. They were unsuccessful. They failed. They did a terrible job. But maybe we have a little bit more momentum this go around in Solana. What do you guys think? Let's take a look at the market in Solana on a couple different other time frames. Okay. Let's look at this on a 2. Let's take a look at Solana on a 3. This 3-day bar here, you guys can see in our software, it was triggered to buy. Market since this particular 3 days, the market has gone up. Pretty good signal. Here it is on the 4. What do you see here on the 4-day time frame? This market kind of is trading like Bitcoin, don't you think? Maybe we have opportunity to see Solana run to 180 like I told you in the beginning of the video. Is that logical? Is it possible? Here is Solana on the 5. Uh-oh. See that? Okay, cool. Here it is on the weekly chart. This is a very strong buy zone. Look at how many times buyers in Solana held that zone. Once, twice, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 6, 7 times. 6 or 7 times the market has held that buy zone. So apparently they're showing us their hand. And I'm talking about the buyers in Solana. These Solana buyers are telling us that whenever price comes to 120, they begin to buy up a whole guap of this stuff. They like to buy Solana at 120. Because if they didn't, then every time the price came down to 120, the market would have fell through that zone, but it didn't. We appreciate the information that's on these charts. So considering how many times we've seen the market hold that zone, longer term, Solana is definitely still bullish then. And I will tell you on the 2 weeks, well, let me give you the 3 weeks. And since we have 2 days and 14 hours, if the market in Solana closes at the high of that bar, we're definitely looking for higher prices. Take a look at this. We got weakness, strength, weakness, strength, weakness. Currently, we're seeing strength again. This is where the war is being waged between the sellers and the buyers. Take a look at Solana on monthly. Again, just like I said earlier on the 3 weeks, I want to see the market in Solana close at the high of that bar in the next 3 days, 14 hours. If that happens, then I'm looking for a price to go up. Hit this first sell zone, potentially hit that second sell zone. That's it. So let me do this. We are going to create a couple of buy zones for Solana, because we do not want to be caught off guard. So let's say price in Solana begins to come back down, right? We don't want to see it to break this zone, 140. We want the buyers to continue to hold that, because it will give us even more confirmation that, hey, they're still there. So let me put this on a daily. This is that area right here. And then the other area will be down here. Just like that. So now let's do this. We're going to put this prediction on the chart. And the ideas for higher prices. Okay. Let's bring it down just a little bit. First target is already here. We know previously, back in the beginning of August, ending of August, the buyers could not do it. So as they approach this zone again for a third time, let's not be crazy, because there's still potential for them not to break this zone. So if they're not going to be successful, hey, at least let's take something off the table then. All right, so that would be like maybe 4.5 to 5.25% right there. That's our first target. Then our second target is going to be all the way up here towards $180, 14.75. What else is there to talk about? I'm done. Here it is on a 3 months. I wanted to show you this because we have 3 days and 14 hours. If I were to give it a scale or score as to who's winning in this game between sellers and buyers in Solana, I would have to give a slight edge to the buyers, only because on this 3 months chart, the market currently is closing higher than the prior 3 months. That's the only call. And it's not even by much. So it's like, yeah, they might be winning, but let's not go home with the trophy just yet, because it's not like they're winning by a lot if you're looking at the chart from that perspective. And here it is on the 6 months. So I am done. You're up next. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.